4 ways to think like a millionaire. What do you think of when you imagine being a millionaire? Do you look forward to the idea of buying a big house and a fancy car? Do you imagine that riches are something that you will only acquire through incredible good luck? Do you think about swimming in a vault full of coins, like Scrooge McDuck? DuckTales was one of my favorite cartoons growing up, by the way. If any of those is the case, then you are not thinking like a millionaire. Despite what many of us non-millionaires might think, self-made wealth is not so much about a lucky break or knowing the right people. It's about a mindset, one that anyone can develop. Here are 4 ways you can start thinking like a millionaire as you work to become one. 1. Looks are not always what they seem. Remember that being wealthy doesn't mean looking wealthy. One of the most surprising findings of Thomas Stanley and William Danko, authors of the best-selling book Millionaire Next Door, is that our mental image of a millionaire, looking something like the monocle and top hat-wearing millionaire on the Monopoly board, is completely wrong. In point of fact, millionaires are much more likely to be frugal, follow a budget, and live within their means than they are to fill a swimming pool with $100 bills. Most American millionaires drive practical used cars, live in modest homes, and avoid wasting money on status symbols. What many non-millionaires get wrong is the feeling that you must ostentatiously spend money in order to prove your worth, whether it's your net worth or your emotional worth. If you have trouble separating the idea of wealth from the trappings of wealth, take the time to think about why the high-cost status symbols are important to you. Who are you trying to impress with your new car or expensive watch? Wouldn't you prefer to have the money in the bank rather than a new Jaguar and an empty account? 2. Believe in yourself. Something that can really separate self-made millionaires from their wage-earning brethren is how they each perceive their place in the world. Millionaires are much more likely to have what psychologists call an internal locus of control. Basically, the theory of locus of control looks at how people perceive their ability to run their own lives, and individuals have either an internal or an external locus of control. Those with an internal locus of control see themselves as in charge of their lives. If a person with an internal locus were to invest money in a business that failed, they would look at all the ways they could have done things differently and vow to learn something from their experience. Someone with an external locus of control, on the other hand, feels as though they have no power over what happens to them. If they were to lose the same investment, they would feel that luck was against them and that there was no way to prevent it. This means that an external locus investor would just stop trying after the first failure, while an internal locus investor would get back in the game with new insights. It can be extremely difficult to change your locus of control from external to internal. It's easy to just blame luck or fate or the man, because it means that you don't have to keep trying when things don't go your way. But if you want to become a millionaire, you have to recognize that the only one who has the power to make that happen is you. 3. Learn to embrace risk. Many years ago, a woman I know named Helen took out a personal loan to start her own business. Her mother was angry at her for taking such a risk when Helen could safely collect a paycheck every week for the rest of her life by working behind the cosmetics counter at Macy's. Today, Helen is a multimillionaire. Helen and her mother really embody the difference between rich thinking and scarcity thinking. Yes, working at the department store was the safe option, but Helen not only wanted more wealth than what she would ever earn as a Macy's employee, she also wanted to do more with her life. By starting her own business, she took a risk, one that not only paid off, but it helped her to create meaning as well as wealth. It's tough to let go of the fear of what could go wrong. Keith Cameron Smith, author of The Spiritual Millionaire, suggests you ask yourself 3 questions in order to overcome the fear of risk. What's the best that could happen? What's the worst that could happen? And